Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the brake fluid of your Audi A4 S401. First step is we open the brake liquid reservoir in front of our car and we will remove the old brake fluid out of it until we will reach the minimum layer. Okay. After this perfect process is done, we are going to dip new brake fluid into the reservoir until we reach the maximum area. Then, of course, we can start on the brake calipers. Let's go to the front axle. Here is the left side. We are getting now the pipe on top of the caliper, and we open the valve and pump the brake pedal while we are sitting inside. So we can now get 0.2 milliliter out of the system with the old brake fluid. After we've finished that, we close the lid again and we are done with the first thing. We are going to continue this on the passenger side again. Then we go to the rear calipers. We start on the left side, get the tube into position, open the valve on the caliper while we are pressing the brake pedal down, pump, pump, pump. So we pump out again 0.2 milliliter out of the system. And this 0.2 milliliter each brake caliper will make a change of the old brake fluid to the new one, of course, because we are now on the rear axle and we go to the other side to perform the same. After you finish the job, of course, you have to top up the brake fluid in the reservoir to maximum, and we make a brake test. If our pedal weight is 1/3 of the total, that's enough, and we are done with the change of the brake fluid. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.